Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing and showing you guys a butane lighter. It comes in this really nice box. Check this out my friends. Wow. That is really nice. So you can refill it underneath here. Looks like you have plus or minus for probably the flame length. Nice carbon fiber look. Trigger here. This is really nice, guys. So this locks the button, so if you turn that, you can't light it. Turn it to the other side, allows you to light it then. Of course, we have to put in fluid, but this is a demonstration just to show you guys what it looks like. Really nice. It is a plastic shell down here, then you got metal down there and metal up top. Really nice, guys, really nice. And I like that it comes in this nice storage box. It's pretty cool.